Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to make a simple out of the ordinary rack for jewelry and ornamentals. As a start, we'll need a rubber glove and also some container with an opening, like a big water bottle. Let's put our glove within the bottle and fix it around the spout in the suspended position. Fasten it tight with elastic. After that, we mix a gypsum mix till enough liquid condition. We'd better make it at once, as the gypsum solidifies quite quickly. Don't forget to shake up the mix in the shape for an even distribution. The gypsum starts solidifying after 4 minutes of mix making. Full setting comes after half an hour. Now we detach our shape from the holder. And gently put off the glove, or you can just cut it with an office knife. Because of the squeeze, we got such prominent parts along the bottom. Let's sharpen them up with a red file or emery paper. Further, we move on to the base production. You can use an ordinary plastic cup for it. For an appropriate shape, we'll need to reverse the position of the bottom. Then we fill the gypsum according to the known scheme and fix our hand. Now we wait until full drying and remove the shape. Be ready to work with forthcoming irregularities and scrapes on the surface. Let's even those problem places by covering with mix and then polish them. Next step is painting, as the gypsum has a way of crumbling with time. I picked the white color as it always looks aesthetic. Now our beautiful minimalistic rack is finally ready for usage. Thanks for watching, like this video if it was helpful and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to make your dreams makeable!